I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. So if you're like most people, you're getting ready to watch the big game this weekend and you need snacks. Now, if you caught my video last week, you saw a great recipe for lemon pepper wings. Today, we're going to make some sausage queso dip. This recipe is going to start out with a pound of breakfast sausage. Now, I'm going to use medium sausage. If you prefer it a little spicier, you can use hot. We're going to fry this sausage up in an iron skillet. Just break it up and scramble it. We're just going to brown this. While we're working on that, let's move on to the next step. I'm going to use a Blanco Velveeta. This is just the basic Blanco. Again, if you like yours a little bit spicier, they do make a different variety that has some peppers in it. So now we're just going to cube up this entire block. Once we've done that, we're just going to put this right into our crock pot. Next, we're going to use 1 can cream of mushroom soup. And 1/2 cup milk. We've got this sausage scrambled up. It's done. Now we're going to drain off the grease and add it to our crock pot. I'm going to mix this up a little bit because, as we've discussed before with the crock pot, once you get the lid on, you don't want to disturb it. You want to leave this alone for a while. But I will say, you don't want to get this too hot because you don't want this cheese to scorch, and this does not take very long. We've got all our ingredients mixed up. Our crock pot is on the low setting, and we're going to add our lid. Don't go too far because even on the low setting, after about 30 minutes, this is done. We're just going to blend it up nicely, and this is ready to serve. Now, if you want to keep it warm for your party, you can use the warm setting on your crock pot, but you might even want to turn it completely off from time to time. Give it a little break so that this cheese doesn't scorch in the pan. Y'all, I just cannot wait to give this a try. Now again, I don't like my food super spicy. You might want to use hot sausage. You might want to use the other kind of Velveeta. You might want to throw in some jalapenos. Throw in whatever you like. This is a great base recipe. Even though my team's not going to the big dance this year, I'm going to have a great day. I'm going to have my lemon pepper wings, my sausage queso, some shrimp cocktail, some cold brews. I'm going to watch the halftime show. Guys, it's going to be a great game. Y'all enjoy that big game. When you're not watching that, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.